I'm Jonathan Bryce. I am one of the co-founders of OnMachina. We are building decentralized infrastructure starting with a storage network. I have a decent amount of at-scale infrastructure experience in my background. And when I looked at a lot of these blockchains, I just didn't trust the architecture. When we started to build against Near, then I really appreciated some of the features, especially the token and key management aspects of it. It's so flexible. This is why it's really encouraging to me. It's an acceptance of what we have to do to get these technologies in front of billions of people. Near is really good technology from the architecture side, but it's also good user experience. Don't think of this as a complete reboot of everything you've done. Find ways to actually leverage the strengths you have, whether that's ease of use, a big customer base, tightly integrated feature sets. If you now layer blockchain on top of that, you get true ownership, you get independent verification, you get the ability to participate in the network. Then that unlocks so much value and so much potential for all of us who are, who love technology and love the way it impacts our lives.